everyone, and welcome to Custom Trout Creations YouTube channel. So before I kind of begin, during this video, if you find this useful, definitely like, subscribe, and share, just so that any other products that I come out with for review, you can definitely see them, check it out if it's something that you want to do or want to have but you're unsure. I'm hoping this kind of helps you guys in the long run for things. So with a lot of my product reviews that I'm going to be trying, especially with this one that's coming up, it's initially showing the actual product itself, having it being used, and then also kind of following back up with it about a week or two to kind of check on like, hey, the durability, if it's been in the rain or not, sun, UV, if I'm driving it to work and I'm leaving it in the sun, like how well does that hold up to it? So for this one, today's review is going to be the LEXIN cup holder. The CO4 is the big one. So here's the actual package that it came in, and I haven't actually got the chance to see what was in it just yet. So just kind of opening it up. Nice little box. Didn't come in damaged or anything like that. Came in a pretty good, decent package. Amazon delivery, so it wasn't too bad. So here's the actual box itself. Might be a little bit of a glare, I do apologize. So we're kind of opening it up, start seeing it's big, it's not, and it does clearly state it on the website for Amazon for, how the exaggeration is between the two. So this one is a little bit bigger. I went with this one just because I do like my big tumblers that I like to take back and forth with me to work, and just kind of wanted to see if this will help. I'm going to test it first with a tumbler that I don't really care about too much anymore. So even if it gets lost on the highway, or damaged up, then, no harm, no foul. So for this one, it comes with the actual pieces from in here, and it looks like inside, it actually has like a little hard bottom to it, for the base inside. Now, from the looks of this, pretty good, hard, solid metal for this part. This is a little bit kind of concerning for the fabric. It's a little stretchy, but we'll see for how it, holds up in the long run. As long as it lasts me for about a year or so, I would definitely claim the fact that it's worth the money. So, hell, if anything with this review, I'll probably follow up again in a year's time, just to kind of give you guys some feedback on anything. So anyways though, you got your regular seal for your retainer for the cup. So depending on the size that you use, it'll adjust itself. Manually, you have to put that in there. So, but I don't think it's too much of a regard because, you're going to be adjusting yourself on your motorcycle. And while you're riding, before you ride, you're already putting gear on, you're putting, whatever you got going on, you're following up on your mount. And you're already having to readjust yourself anyway, so this really shouldn't be too much of an issue.